Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, NOTAM issued for possible submarine launched ballistic missile test. India has issued a notice to airmen that outlines a designated area for a potential missile test from a submerged platform or submarine with a range extending up to 3,490 kilometers. This development has fueled speculation about the nature of the missile being tested, with two primary theories emerging: a potential first test of the K-5 submarine launched ballistic missile, or a validation test of the K-4 SLBM. Next, Indian Navy seeks indigenous arrestor wires. The Indian Navy is looking to bolster its self-reliance in critical technologies by partnering with private steel manufacturers to develop indigenous arrestor wires for its aircraft carriers. Arrestor wires, essential for flight operations on carriers, play a pivotal role in enabling aircraft to land safely on limited deck space by rapidly decelerating them. This move aligns with India's overarching goal of reducing dependence on foreign suppliers and strengthening the domestic defense manufacturing ecosystem under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. Next, India weighing offer of Tu-160M strategic bombers. In recent years, India has been increasingly focused on modernizing its defense capabilities, and not one of the more intriguing proposals on the table is the acquisition of Russia's Tu-160M strategic bombers, often referred to as the White Swan. This offer from Russia has sparked considerable interest within the Indian Air Force, especially following the aircraft's prominent role in the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. The proposal to acquire these bombers presents both an opportunity and a challenge for India as it assesses its strategic needs, regional security considerations, and its long-standing defense relationship with Russia. Next, showcasing advanced digital soldier system. The DRDO has unveiled a groundbreaking digital soldier as a system concept designed to significantly enhance the capabilities and survivability of soldiers in modern battlefields. The system integrates cutting-edge technologies, making each soldier a networked combatant with advanced situational awareness, communication, and decision-making tools. The digital soldier as a system leverages a body area network to seamlessly connect an array of smart devices and sensors, enabling real-time data sharing and enhancing combat efficiency. Next, solid state power amplifier, that is SSPA, for defense satellites. A Bangalore-based company has achieved a significant milestone by winning the IDEX Prime X Challenge of Innovation for Defense Space Agency. The challenge focused on the development of a 200-watt band solid-state power amplifier, a critical technology for satellite ground stations. The development is expected to strengthen India's capability in space-based communication and defense system. Next, inviting bids for 613 SMGs and holographic sites. The Central Industrial Security Force CISF has issued a tender for the procurement of 613 submachine guns chambered in 9 into 19 mm. The procurement will also include holographic sights and other essential accessories. Thank you.